beating the UP Fighting Maroons 68-56. The Green Archers ended the first round with a 6-run record. We have Coach Gian Nasayo, Joshua David, and our reigning MVP, Kevin Cambao. Coach, congratulations for this victory. It's a very intense game indeed, the rematch of last year's final. So, what can you say about your team's performance tonight?
First of all, I'd like to thank the Lord for the win. Thanks for keeping all the players safe today. We were just very happy, on how things turned out. We know it's gonna be a grind out game. We know that it will be a game of runs, and we were able to weather the storm, sabi nga nila. And alam naman namin lahat what UP can do, what they're capable of doing, and we're just happy that all the players responded well.
Thank you to Joshua. You had 14 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, and plus 16. So, ano masasabi mo? Na nanalo kayo, na maganda yung pagtatapos niyo ng first round, and what we can expect from you guys heading to the second round where mabigat na pabigat yung malaban.
Siguro magandang panalo to sa amin, lalo na magandang baon to papuntang second round sa amin. Pero kung titignan nyo, parang dami pa kaming errors eh. So kailangan sa second round matama namin yung mga errors pa namin, kasi parang alam naman sa second round, kumbaga game of adjustment na yan. So kailangan na maging ready pa sa second round.
Thank you. To KQ, you had 20 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. So, what can you say na ito, natapos na yung first round, na number 1 kayo, and ano yung mga kailangan yung gawin para mag-stay kayo sa kinalalagyan nyo sa standings? Ano kailangan yung gawin?
Coming into this game, sinabi lang sa amin ng coaching staff na believe and faith na kaya namin talunin lahat ng team. So, yung pagkatalo namin nun sa UE, it's a wake-up call para sa amin na madami pa nga kami kailangan i-improve. And then, ayun, this game talagang sobrang sobrang gigil kami na makuha tong panalo na to, dahil, ayun nga, madami pa kami kailangan na improve. And then, nakita niyo naman, kahit na-execute namin yung plays namin, madami pa din kulang. So, coming into this second round, focus kami sa next game namin, and then yung panalo na to na binigay ni Lord, tapos na to. Enjoying ko lang mamayang gabi kami lahat. So kinabukasan, panibagong araw na naman.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions. Anyone?
Coach Gian, could you give us context lang yung nangyari sa third quarter? Parang nagkainitan yung coaching staffs of both teams. Ano lang yun? Trash talk ba yun? Or was it something on the court na nagkapikunan? What can you share to us?
Actually, nagulat na lang ako. Nagtatayuan na yung coaches, nagtuturoan na sila. So tumayo na rin ako. Nakituro na lang ako. No, but kidding aside, syempre emotions were really high at that point. I don't really know honestly what transpired. I'm just there to protect my coaches as well. So when everyone was standing up, I wanted to stand up, I wanted to be united with them. Again, emotions na nadala lang naman tayo lahat eh. And I think it was pacified well, hopefully. So yeah, it's part of the game.
Josh, yun nga, coming up big again for LaSalle against UP, similar nung game 2 ng finals last year. Siguro, what is it about yung mga high pressure games na talagang step up ka for the team, to deliver those baskets?
Kumbaga kasi, hindi ko sinasayang yung opportunity na binibigyan ng coaching staff sa akin. Kumbaga, sobrang bonus na lang din if higitan ko pa yung role ko. Parang, yun lang, parang lahat naman kami ready palagi. Para at least kung sino hugutin sa amin, mag-step up lang.
For Kevin, siguro nga after ng UE, nung pagkatalo niya sa UE, may question ng konti kung yung LaSalle ba medyo nagsistruggle ba talaga, or one time, big time lang siguro yun. Pero siguro at the end of the first round, ano yung siguro main takeaway mo about yung team ngayon, kung nasan kayo ngayon at kung saan pa kayo pwedeng pumunta after?
Ayun nga, nag-players meeting kami, and then sinabi lang namin na ayun nga, pressure is privilege. Kumbaga, outside noise lang yan eh. Kumbaga, protektahan mo yung inner circle ng team namin. And then, ayun, simula nung natalo kami sa UE, nag-stick lang kami sa system namin, sinacrifice ko yung role ko as a veteran na hindi pala kailangan laging puntos, kailangan ko involve yung teammate ko. So, simula nung nag-adjust kaming lahat, good thing na madaming good thing na nangyayari sa amin. So, doon namin napagtanto na ayun nga, sundin na lagi yung coaches kasi medyo nung first 4 games namin medyo lihis yung system namin sa gusto namin gawin. So, simula nun, ayun, nag-stick lang sa system, sinacrifice yung role namin ng bawat isa, and then, ayun, believe na kaya namin lahat ng team dahil, ayun nga, pinagtrabahuan namin to na ilang buwan eh. So, ayun, confident kami na kaya namin silang talunin.
And nabanggit mo din yung pressure. Personally, may pressure din sa'yo to, of course, deliver for the team. Ikaw bilang, siguro sanay ka na din sa big stages, ganun. Meron ka pa bang specific approach kung paano mo ina-handle yung pressure or you just let it be and do your game?
I think pag nagpe-pressure ako, ano lang eh, tinatrabaho ko lang kung ano pa yung kulang sa akin, kung ano pa yung mga pagkakamali ko. And then, adjust, learn, and then, and good thing na 16 kami din sa team namin. Lahat ng teammates ko nandyan para sa akin, lahat sila coaches. Sinasabihan nila ako na, ayun nga, isa ka sa mga lead by example, ma-pressure ka, nandito kami para sa'yo. So, ayun, united front kami dito, kaya ayun nga, lagi sinasabi ni Coach Topek sa amin na walang iwanan kahit anong mangyari, win or lose.
Coach, last year Shaky start kayo then yung second round. Ngayon, number 1 seed first round. Pero mag-iiba sa approach ko in the second.
Well, just like what Josh mentioned, we still have a lot to work on, a lot to learn. Kasi kung masatisfy na kami dito, that would be our downfall. So, I think what's best is these guys will be able to recover tomorrow and practice na ulit. Yun naman talagang ano namin eh. Just like what KQ said also, we enjoyed the day, enjoyed the win, but tomorrow's another day.
Congratulations, Coach Gian, Joshua, and KQ.